Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm just gonna kind of show you how I customize a closure. So I've already done the wig making process, and with this wig I did a quick weave. I did the same exact thing for my wig in my previous video, so if you're interested in seeing how I do that, I will make that for you because it's really quick and much faster than sewing if you're in a rush. So all I'm doing right here is cutting off the excess cap so you can see the closure underneath, and I've already bleached the knots. So all we're doing here is kind of thinning out the hairline just a little bit. This isn't like a super duper detailed customization. I'm just gonna thin it out a little bit because I do notice that it is a little stark, so thinning it out just kind of helps it transition into your hairline a little better. So I'm just finding my part, and we all know it's a middle part because I'm middle part shawty these days. So yeah, this is what it looks like on my head, so you can kind of see what it's looking like. So I'm just wetting it, and then I'm gonna go in with with tweezing. And I'm not a professional customizer, I'm just thinning it out, and this takes time. I think I did this for like 10 minutes, and then I was just like, you know what, this is good enough. So as you tweeze, you kind of just want to comb all the hair that you pulled out just to see what your hairline's looking like. And honestly, if you take your time, this will look really good. But me, I was just pulling hair out. Don't be like me. Okay, so here's a little progress update. I feel like this is good if you're a beginner plucker like me. So I think I'm content with this. So let's put her on. And the hair we're using in today's video is from DSoar hair, and I have the Peruvian natural wave. I have 324 inches and a 20-inch closure, and it is in the natural color. So I'm just kind of showing you how I put the wig on. Of course, I put a wig cap on because my hair is in a ponytail, and we need all the securedness that we can get without having a actual braid down. So here's what our wig is looking like. I'm just going to show you guys how I do this little swoop thing because I don't know what it is, but I feel like I have to do this to all my wigs now. So yeah, I'm just using some good old got to be gel, and this kind of helps hold your wig down so it doesn't move, because listen, when you dry that got to be, it's not going anywhere unless you wet it. So yeah, this is the gist of our wig. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like on, and yeah, this video is honestly just showing you how to, fix up your closure and put it on. But if you guys would like to see like a start to finish, like bleaching the knots and all that, let me know. We can take it back to old YouTube days, those how-to days. So yeah, I wouldn't mind doing that, a little recap, because it's been a minute. So it's a whole nother day. I figured I would come back and show you guys what the wig looks like without the baby hair in the middle, because sometimes I like that look, and then sometimes I'm just like, ugh, this don't look right today. We just need to do a regular part. So I just have a regular part today with no extra baby hairs. And since this is a wig that I made myself, I kind of just am wearing it behind my hairline, and then it's kind of tucked behind my ear, but I did pull out a piece of hair just to make it a little bit more natural. So these are my natural edges that are out. I just put a little bit of edge control on them so they can, lay down. But yeah, I did kind of like a little crooked part so it doesn't look too perfect, kind of, so it can look like, it's the real deal here. But yeah, this is the DSoar Peruvian natural wave, and I have all bundles of 24 inches, and then my closure is 20 inches. So this hair is pretty long. I don't know why I'm wearing a black sweatshirt again. I feel like all the clips I did with this hair, I'm wearing black. But since this hair isn't black, you can still see it. So this is where the hair falls on me. It's pretty long, and if I straighten it, which I think I might because I just love the way curly hair straightens, it just looks so like natural and blown out. But if I straighten this, it's gonna go all the way down to like my butt. This hair is long, and I'm pretty sure I used about 3.5 bundles, so it's pretty full. It's pretty full. It's really, really pretty. So this is what the hair looks like. Yeah, it's just really cute. I just love curly hair, and this hair is a natural wave pattern, but do y'all see this? This is like it waves at the top, but then like the bottom for sure kind of spirals. So yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. It's a little worn in. I've been playing in this hair. I've been getting my Beyonce on with my Beyonce fan. So I know that DSoar Hair is having an anniversary sale, and the sale is from March 8th through March 26th. So they're having extra percentages off the hair. So I'll list all the information in the description box for you guys to check out if you're interested in this hair. But yeah, this is, I showed you guys a bunch of different clips of this hair, but honestly I feel like this is my favorite way I would wear it without the little part in the middle. So yeah, I did do this wig the same way I did the last wig that I showed you guys, and I did get a question of how you wash this, like how do you wash a wig that you quick weave, basically using bonding glue. And you just got to make sure that you don't get the wefts wet, because once you get bonding glue wet, it gets sticky and then your tracks will start to slip out. So I kind of just wash all the hair without getting the cap wet. So yeah, I mean, it's just your preference. For me, I've been doing this for so long, it's easy for me to maintain a glued in wig. Like I still have wigs that I glued like 3 years ago, and none of the tracks have slipped because, you know, I know how to wash it. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. I will list all of DSoar's hair information in the description box, so make sure you check that out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.